everyone, this is Chetan Singhal. Welcome to my channel Stat Shine, where knowledge shines to make you shine. In this video, we'll be learning how to calculate median using Ogive, right? So we have this data set. This is X and this is the frequency, and we want to calculate the median. So to calculate median using mathematical formulas, we have discussed earlier videos. So in this video, we'll be discussing how to calculate median using an Ogive, right? So firstly, there are two types of Ogives. One is less than and one is more than. So we'll calculate less than cumulative frequency and more than cumulative frequency. So in earlier videos, if you have seen, we have calculated cumulative frequency. So that is nothing but less than. So what does this mean? This means that we have to keep in mind the upper limit when we are calculating less than cumulative frequency. So we have to keep in mind this upper limit 5. So what does that mean? The number of observations that are less than 5. So here this is less than upper limit, right? So here it's less than 5. So there are 4 observations. Less than 10. So there are 4 plus 6, 10 observations. Less than 15. Less than 20. So if we see less than 20, so there are 4, 6, 10 and 10. So this is nothing but 30. So less than 25, 30 plus 25, 55. So similarly, if we see less than 40, that turns out to be 100 because that is the total number of observations. So we'll calculate less than cumulative frequency. Just we have to remember is we have to take the upper limit into account. So less than 5, less than 10. So less than 10, there are 6 plus 4, 10. Less than 25. So it's nothing but 25 plus 10 plus 10 plus 6 plus 4. So simply just we have to calculate in this way: 4 plus 6, 10, 10 plus 10, 20, 20 plus 10, 30, 30 plus 25, 55 and so on. Now just opposite to it, we have more than cumulative frequency. So we have to take lower limit, more than lower limit. So this is more than 0, that is 100. All the observations would be greater than 0. More than 5. So there are 96. Why 96? 100. So there are total 100. 100 minus. So here we were adding. Here we will subtract. 100 minus 4. 96. 96 minus 6. 90. 90 minus 10. 80. 80 minus 10. 70. 70 minus 25. 45. 45 minus 20 to 23 and so on. Right? So this is our more than cumulative frequency. So if you see this one, what does that mean? More than 20. So how will calculate more than 20? This one. So 70, if you see, this will come here. This is more than 20. So 80. So this is more than 15 and this is minus 10. So we'll do just minus 10. So this is 70. So we know that more than 15, there were 80 observations. And more than 20, there would be 80 minus 10, 70. Because in 15 to 20, we have 10 observations. So just we have to remember in less than cumulative frequency, we have to add. We'll add each of these frequency: 4, 4 plus 6, 10, 10 plus 10, 20. And more than cumulative frequency, we have to subtract. We'll write maximum total number of observations here, and we'll just subtract on these frequencies: 4, 6, 10 and so on, right? So we'll get more than, less than cumulative frequency and more than. And now we'll draw these more than ogive and less than ogive or ogive in this graph, like this way I've calculated over here. So if you see these points, so this is nothing but corresponding to 5. So this is 0. So this is our less than ogive. So 0. So this is 4, right? So corresponding to 10, it's 10. Corresponding to 15, it's 20. So similarly, I've plotted all these points, and similarly over here also. So now to calculate median, what we have to see? We have to see n by 2. which is 100 by 2 equals to 50. So 50 someone, so this is nothing but the frequency. So we want that median should lie between, is the middle observation. So the frequency at which it should lie is 50. So we'll draw, sorry, this is 50. So we'll draw this line, right? So this is the intersection. So this will be at 50 and this intersection will give the median. This is nothing but median and this is equals to 24, right? So this is 50. So suppose if you haven't drawn these both, so we can calculate median using one of the ogive only, like less than ogive also and more than. So suppose I just don't have this blue, so ignore this blue curve, we only have the black. So what I'll do is I'll calculate n by 2 equals to 50. So suppose when we have both, we just take the intersection point and now we only have the black one. So what I'll do is I'll take this 50 because I know at this point our median would lie. So I'll just draw this line, right, and take where this line is cutting this less than ogive. And similarly for more than ogive also I'll take where this 50th line is cutting. So it should cut at this point. Suppose this is our x, this is our f, and I have this ogive as this. So I'll take this as 50. So this is less than. So this is our median. And suppose in more than ogive, so this would be something more than ogive. I'll take this 50 and I'll go till this point and I'll draw a vertical line over. This is our median. So we can calculate it from only less than ogive also, more than, and from combined also, right? So hope you have understood to calculate median using ogive or ogive. If you like the explanation and the content, please subscribe my channel and like the videos. Keep shining. Thank you.